Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2007 Honda Pilot, doing some rear brakes. These little screws usually have problems, but these were nice for me. So you're going to remove these set screws, holds the rotor in place while the vehicle is going down the assembly line until all the rest of the stuff can be put on. Plus it also lines it up so that the rotor set in place and doesn't come off. Alright, caliper bolts could be 12s. Take those 12s out, move the caliper out of the way. Back bracket bolts, because we're doing pads and rotors. Back bracket bolts are 14s. Get them out with a wrench as well. Nice and hot out here in Georgia today. Like 97, 98 degrees. Good to do this stuff in the shade. More leverage to get this stuff up here. All right, so we got two 14s back here in the back. Not left-handed, so buddies over here. Customer elected to supply his own brake pads, and got the cheapest Duralast he could find. So they do not come with new shims. So we will not be putting shims on today. I don't like that, but I am not the customer. I'm just the guy doing the job. But I did supply the rotors. Apparently you couldn't find any. Put it off. Get the Cosmoline on there. Makes it look nice and shiny. And doesn't rust up when sitting in the box. Alright, just make sure you line up your set screws and stuff. Putting your rotor on. Otherwise you'll be taking it back off. Yes, there is a plug that goes with this, and no, the old one did not have it. So we're doing without. Set your set screw, put it on there, that way you can put these bracket and everything back on. You're now fighting how it's going to sit. Tightening this stuff back up, good and tight. Caliper, cooler tool, press the caliper back in. You do not need to open up the bleed screw to compress this back in. Only need to do that if you are changing the caliper or doing something else that involves the brake line itself. If you disconnect anything on there, you're obviously going to have to bleed it. And all that does is just invite problems that are not necessarily needed. So you can get a tool, C-clamp, compress it back in. Oh yeah, that's, by the way, these are only going one way. You'll find that out. C-clamp, compressing tool, so that way you do not have to open up a bleeder screw and cause yourself more heartache. I've seen that happen quite a few times. Changed my brakes and I can't bleed my system. Why did you open it up? No need to. I've never had to. Not saying it doesn't happen, just saying 9 times out of 10 you don't need to. Alright, so we're just going to screw this in the rest of the way and we are finished up. Put the tire back on, tighten it up, 90 foot-pounds, away you roll. Questions, comments, please let me know. Please like and subscribe.